Alright, well it's time to go up to Auto Empire to get the headers installed on Nadia. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, as you can tell by the title, I decided to pull the trigger and put long tube headers on Nadia, the 2018 Camaro SS 1LE. Decided it was time to up our game a little bit and went with Texas Speed long tube headers, off-road Xpipe. The headers, by the way, are 1 7/8. Houston Auto Empire did the install. I'll show a real quick video here just y'all can see them. All right, here we are, Auto Empire, getting the headers right there. Got Philip in there in the shop working on some cars and stuff. Can't wait to get this installed and then tuned tomorrow. I've known one of those guys in there for a while, and both of them seem to do real good work on the cars. Here's a couple of shots of the headers going in the car, etc. And excellent work. You know, checked over it afterward, can't see any complaints, anything like that. Seems like they were installed perfectly. Got them installed last Wednesday, and then Thursday we brought them to MS Tuning to do the Dyno tune, which is in Rosenberg, Texas. It's right across the parking lot from J-Rod's, if any of you are all familiar with them. They were real easy to work with as well. Tune didn't take hardly any time. So we'll get into the dyno tuning footage. Here's the first pass I made. And this pass was just a baseline, basically to see, you know, where the car is before we started any of the dyno tuning itself, and add in the E85 fuel capabilities. And it actually tuned out at 423, which was just insanely impressive before any tuning or anything. So that's with the long tube headers on and with the RotoFab intake that I already have. So I was very pleased with that, because I think stock at the wheels is 390, so that put me at 33 over the wheels right there, or 33 over stock right there. I was really happy with that number. And then we went on to the second run. Now this run brings in the base octane, 93 octane pump gas tune. It tuned out at 441 horsepower, which was really good, and 441 horsepower and 450 torque. great numbers, no complaints there at all. And then we went for the third dyno pass. On the third dyno pass, she ran 466 horsepower and 475 torque. And this pass, of course, had everything in. It was the E85 with the headers and everything. So, and with the way E85 works, anytime that I fill up with E85 gas, the sensor detects it or whatnot, it's going to automatically switch over the tune to the E85 to give me that 466 horsepower. Now, anytime I put 93 octane in, it's going to go back to the 441 horsepower. So the car can now run either fuel type, and of course 93 octane is going to have the better gas mileage. But everything went really well. I was very happy. Anybody thinking about putting long tube headers on their car, Xpipe, you know, getting a tune, E85, any of it, I highly recommend it. It was a great experience. The car sounds freaking insane, as you'll see in this last clip, and as you saw in the dyno clip. In this last clip, we're going to compare the before and the after, as I promised. So here you go. Well, there's the before and after. It is just insanely loud, which is awesome. But yeah, it's pretty ear-throbbing loud. That's all I have to say. But so ended up with exactly what I wanted out of it, out of the mod. Got power actually a little bit more than I thought I was going to get, and it's a lot louder. It sounds a lot meaner. 2 thumbs up. Thank you again, Houston Auto Empire, Texas Speed Performance, and MS Tuning. I'm very happy. And also Lethal Garage for the E85 kit. You can go to lethalgarage.com to get that E85 kit. Thanks for watching my videos. Please, y'all, give me a like at the bottom. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And as always, y'all have a wonderful week.